We all love the look of mini light strings during the holidays, but a common problem is how easily they get tangled, making them a pain to untangle and install. Well, you can cut your installation time in half with rolled mini light stringers from Christmas Lite Company, available exclusively at 1000 Bulbs. These high-quality strings come neatly rolled in tangle-free balls, ready to be installed straight out of the box. No more dealing with bags or bulky tags that just get in the way. Simply unroll each ball and watch as the lights smoothly unravel, making the entire process a breeze. You can now wrap trees, columns, posts, and more in a matter of minutes. And at the end of the season, these lights can be quickly re-rolled and stored away, making next year tangle-free as well. Rolled mini lights are available with either green or brown wire, allowing for seamless concealment in greenery or on trees. The mini lights can also be connected end to end to create longer strings, perfect for lighting larger displays and trees. Sold by the case of 24 stringers for added convenience, these lights are a favorite of homeowners and contractors alike. Customers praise how the wires blend in, the quality, and how easy they are to install. Here is a side-by-side installation comparison of standard mini light strings versus rolled mini lights. As you can see, the rolled mini light strings install much faster. This holiday season, switch to rolled mini light stringers from Christmas Lite Company and make your decorating experience merry and bright. Get these and other Christmas light products by calling 855-948-5079 or shopping online at 1000bulbs.com.